So I want to show you just how easy it can be to install DCC inside a locomotive. This Atlas VO-1000 came from the factory as a DC unit, but the lighting board that it was equipped with was designed to be replaced with a simple DCC replacement. And that DCC replacement looks just like this. This decoder is by TCS and it is specifically designed to be put inside an N-scale Atlas VO-1000 locomotive. This upgrade is as simple as taking the locomotive apart, sliding the old light board out of position, just like that, ever so gently, and taking our new board, making sure that our motor contacts are lined up with the two pads down there, and slotting it in just where the old one was. Once you've got it hinged, press it in, go over here, make sure that you're fitting. Ooh, okay, we're having some troubles here. Okay, I figured it out, let me show you what I did. Sometimes the PCB can be a little teeny tiny bit too thick. So what you gotta do is you gotta get it in there, you gotta get both halves together, and then you just gotta evenly put some pressure on it, put some downward force there, until the frame fits together just like that. From here, all you gotta do is put your locomotive back together. On the track and see how it does. Every new decoder comes out of the factory, usually assigned with the address of 3. So we've selected address number 3. Let's put some track power. Good news, we have a light. Let's set it in forward and give it some gas. It works! So on our DCC controller, this is speed step number 1. Look at that incredible slow speed operation right there. And it's just as good in both directions too. All right, with the shell back on, let's get the full effect.